Yo, this your boy Trippy Steve. This my first video for this channel. So yeah, this is gonna be a smoking weed channel. So right now I'm about to start with my first blunt of the day. So what I got right here is Gelato 41 and some white truffles. And then I got some, I forgot what that shit called. It's called like shit. The liquid diamonds and like wax. Yeah, that's what I think it is. It's like a mix of like liquid diamond and wax. This is what the cover looking like. This shit's fucked up. Yeah. This shit, when I got it, it was like real fucking wet and shit. Now it's not wet in there. It's like real dry. And then, I'm rolled over the Dutchess. I'm always rolled over the Dutchess. Then I got what I got right here. Secret ingredient right here. This is a secret ingredient. I'm gonna make it real trippy. This is secret ingredient. And then you're gonna need a weed tray. So I'm gonna be right back. As soon as I get it rolled up. Hold on for a minute. I just finished it. Pretty decent. Big size though. I had to add that fucking Onga Monga. That fucking One Piece dragon fruit and shit. You know what I'm saying? I had to add some of that to that motherfucker. But let's see how this shit go. And then after this I'm gonna hop on fucking Twitch and see, how this shit go today. And knock out my fucking day on Twitch. Shit pretty strong. Is there a taste from it? No, not really. For the most part, it just tastes like weed. Like a lot of weed just tastes like fucking weed.